Hey chat, we're at Bung Samran right now. Let's go. We're gonna have some fun today and catch some big fish. It's pretty cool, you know? Dang bro, let's have some fun today. So lads, we've got a lot of stuff with us. So just gonna put my headphones. Oops. So we're gonna put our stuff in here. And we're gonna carry our stuff because we got lots of stuff. And we are asking, where is our master baiter? I'm right here, guys. And we're gonna go get the rod. You know, I got my own rod, so we don't gotta borrow. So it's all good. All right, we got our epic tank. Feels like a motor, but yeah, we're gonna go to our room. I'm just gonna get showered because it's 6 a.m. right now, or 6, 7. And you know, we're pretty tired, but it's gonna be a long day. But regardless, we're gonna have some fun, like I said.
เฮ้ยมันอึ
ถ่ายมันสิ Ew.
อันนี้
Look, we're gonna catch fish this big, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Got little fish in the water. Huge, bro. The view is amazing. Big splashes. We're gonna have some fun. So many circles. Fish right there. Yeah, we're gonna walk so far. Yeah. So many big fish. Have some good fun today. Guys, we are finally here. Look outside, man. That's crazy. And this is the room that we're gonna be staying in for a little bit. We're gonna have some fun fishing, guys. All right, so what are we gonna do? We put it in here. All right, we make the ball. And then it's like a catapult. So what are we gonna do is we're just gonna release a little bit on the floor. There you go. And we're just gonna make it straight, get it ready, and swing it as hard as we can. That wasn't a very good swing, but I was scared that my phone would, you know, fall in the water because, you know, I'm using a GoPro. No, I'm not using a GoPro, I'm using my phone. But yeah, that's pretty, I think that's enough. เธอคิดว่าเม็ดเก่าของพวกเราทำแบบนี้ได้ไหมคิดว่าฮะได้โอ้ได้โอเค 3 2 1 switch Siri quick record
ทำไมตั้งทำไมอัดอยู่นะอัดอยู่
All
ตัวนี้มันมีรางวัลด้วย
น้องเป็นอะไรหรอมุกาม
ไม่รู้แต่ว่าเห็นในคลิปถ้าเขาจะติดรางวัลไว้ที่ตาก็เลยจับได้อะ